Hello, Davita here. Davita and Georgie. Say hi, Georgie. Georgie and I would like to welcome you to our studio and Abstract and Flow. Today, we're going to do a pour, and I was inspired by a young lady by the name of Chris, and I think her name is pronounced Jeszeck or Jeszeck. And I've been wanting to do some metallic colors in a pour. So I saw a video she did and kind of spoke to me. So that's what we're going to do today. So I got my colors all mixed up. And Georgie's going to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Needs a haircut. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to pan the camera down. And I'm going to show you the consistencies of the paint, which is not exactly a mound on a mound and not exactly too thin. So this is the gold, and it's leaving a little bit of a trace. So it is a little thicker, but not thick. The burgundy is basically doing the same thing. I hope you can see that, because I got my camera turned around and I can't really see what's going on. Let's see if I do it like this. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, so you can see that there's a little bit of a mound, just a teeny mound, and a little bit of tracing. Okay. And that's basically the consistency with all the paints, except the black is a little thicker. The black is leaving, oh Lord, can't see that either. Let's see. It's not, I'm not even going to waste your time. I can't see it, so I know you can't see it. All right, so we are going to layer our paints and get started. So here's my empty cup. And let's add a little music for your listening pleasure. Okay, so I see that it's because of the size of this canvas, which is 20 by 20. I don't want it to roll on itself, so I had some black already mixed up. So we're going to see if that'll help it along a little bit, because I want to try to keep as much of what's going on in the center so see how much easier it's moving when I added that black. So it's doing exactly what I want it to do. And I'm just trying to spread it out just a little bit before we go off the edges. Come back this way. Okay, so now let's look at it. I like what's going on. You can see how that satin enamels, it just does its own thing, and I really like that. I'm not really crazy about the little white pop-ups, but you know, what can you do? Yeah, I think I like this. So let me turn it this way a little. And look at it. And I think I want to just move it. Let's see if we can move it down just a little further. Okay. Yeah, that looks really nice. Okay. I'm going to torch it a little bit just to see if we get anything to pop up down in this area. And I see a UFO. See if we can grab that. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, hate that. Okay. No, oh, I don't want to do that. Okay. See how that more popped up when I torched it? So we're going to stay away from the center. But I like the way that black is showing through around the edges. Yeah, but we're going to stay away from that area there. Okay. All right, people. I think we have a winner chicken dinner. I love this. I love that center. Oh my God, it's just beautiful. I hope you agree. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. And please subscribe, please like, and if you feel so, comment. I really like reading your comments. Wow, turned out really pretty. Okay, people, I'm gonna stop. Thanks again. Again, stay blessed, stay safe, and see you next pour.